Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we will be learning how to make a stretcher in the wild. If only we had an injured person. Anyways, let's get right to it. Assisting me in the effort to build a stretcher today is my brother, Sam. Okay, now we're going to start constructing our stretcher. We need 4 items. 2 sticks, a tarp, and an injured person, highly injured person. So, what we're going to do is, Sam is going to hand me a stick, and we're going to kind of split the tarp up into thirds. So one right about here, and one right about there. This is going to be the width of what the person lays on, right about that. Now we're going to take one of these sticks off and throw it aside. Not that far aside, but we're going to take this and fold it over, keeping it tight. So we're going to step on the pole like that and make it a very tight fold. This is very important because you are holding a person with these 2 sticks and a tarp. So now we're going to get our second stick and we are going to place it under just a little on top of, see how it lips out? We're going to get probably about 3 inches, 4 inches of it left on the right side or the left side of the stick. Now we're going to take our other side and fold it over, step on the pole so it's a tight, and all the way over. This is the most important fold because this is what's supporting the weight of your patient. So now we will go and get our injured person. Again, we are not emphasizing that this is a first aid video. We are just trying to get him on the stretcher and to safety. 3, 2, 1. To the hospital. And that is how you make a stretcher with 2 sticks and a tarp. Another way to make a stretcher in the wild is with a bunch of feet of duct tape and 2 sticks. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a stretcher in the wild. This is Sam, that is Zane, my name's Jack. Be nimble, be quick, and I'll see you next time.
Aw, man.
So, in the effort of assisting... And that is how you make a tarp with... Another way to make a tarp in the wild... Another way you can make a stretcher in the wild is with 8,702 feet of duct tape. Sam. We're not related.